Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Chat on mobile phone. So you can install the Google Chat from Play Store or App Store, and I'm using the Android one. So you can, after you install and after you download and install, you can open your Google Chat. Make sure you're signed in, and here we go. This is the Google Chat on mobile on Android. In order to start new chat, you can search your friend via email. You can search on your friend's email here. For example, this one, you can click the email and start chatting with your friend here. And also, in Google Chat, there are some feature here. You can make a call, make video call, and also you can share your media, photo, camera, GIF, Google Meet link, Drive, and so on, all the Google service. And even you can send the emoticon, the emoji, and of course you can block your friend. You can try to delete your conversation by tap on conversation option here. Tap your friend. You can turn off history. You can mark as unread, and you can delete conversation. Even you can block and report user. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.